checking out today?
Good morning. Oo last day ko na ngayon.
Would you like me to prepare your bills na po?
Okay, go.
What mode of payment are you going to use? Cash or card po?
May Visa American card.
Okay, for a moment po.
Okay, go.
Ma'am, your bills is on process na po. Would you like me to pack your things na?
Okay, go, Nay. Ingatan mo yung mga gold ko, hawakan mo na mag-gloves ka. Baka kasi madumihan. Tapos yung Rolex ko, wag mo muna siyang galawin kasi gagamitin ko siya mamaya.
Okay po, ma'am. Sige.
Go.
Here is your bill, ma'am. Kindly check it and sign if it is fine.
Okay. Okay, and here's my card po.
Please sign here again po.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, your things are all ready na po. Is there anyone to fetch you or would you like me to call a cab for you?
May susundo sa akin. Paki-check na lang siya if nandiyan na siya.
Okay, for a moment.
Sige.
Ma'am, your car is waiting for you na po. Let me carry your bag na po. And
Thank you.
thank you for staying with us, ma'am. Hope to see you again in our next visit. Ito na po yung gamit.
Thank you. You are a great butler.
It's my pleasure po, ma'am.
Bye-bye.